In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop or place a picture into a shape using Canva, a versatile graphic design tool that's user-friendly and incredibly effective for all your creative projects. We often encounter situations where we want our images to fit neatly within a specific shape, whether it be for a presentation, a social media post, or any other design task. Fortunately, Canva makes this process not just simple, but also quite fun. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, you'll need to navigate to your Canva project. This is the starting point for all your design endeavors, offering you a clean canvas to unfold your creativity. If you don't already have a Canva account, signing up is quick and easy, giving you access to a vast array of templates and design tools. Once you're in your project, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find the Elements tab. This is a treasure trove of design possibilities. Browse through it and select Frames. In Canva, frames serve as placeholders that you can use to manipulate images, giving you the ability to crop them into any shape. You'll find a wide variety of shapes, from circles and squares to more intricate designs like arrows or stars. Choose the shape that best suits your design needs. It could be anything that complements the message or style you're aiming for. Once you've selected your desired frame, simply drag it onto your canvas. You can resize and position it as you like, allowing plenty of flexibility to fit your design vision. With the frame now in place, it's time to insert your image. You can either upload a photo from your device or choose from Canva's extensive library of free images. Whichever option you select, the next step is straightforward. Drag your image over to the frame you've just placed. As you hover over the frame, you'll notice that the image snaps into place. This is Canva's intuitive cropping feature in action. It automatically crops the image to fit the contours of the shape you've chosen. If necessary, you can double-click on the frame to adjust the positioning of the image. This allows you to fine-tune how much of the image is visible within the shape. You can click and drag to reposition it, ensuring that the most important parts of your image are perfectly aligned. And there you have it. Your image is now artfully framed into the shape of your choice. This not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your design, but also makes your work stand out with a professional edge. Before concluding your project, make sure to preview your work to ensure everything appears as expected. Remember, the more you experiment with Canva's features, the more creative possibilities you unlock. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy designing!